This is the smarter watch, and honestly, it's a game changer. I chose the pink one. Obviously, it's so cute and it goes with anything. Right out of the box, it was almost fully charged, super convenient. While I was charging, I downloaded the app, super easy setup. I immediately changed the background to this adorable polar bear. I mean, look at this screen. It's the 1.85-inch display and everything is so vibrant and clear. This isn't just a watch. It's like a little health sidekick on your wrist. It's got 24/7 health monitoring that's super accurate. You can check your heart rate with a simple tap and see your stress levels throughout the day. It's a great way to stay on top of your well-being while even thinking about it. I'm trying to get better at running, and this watch has been a huge help. It has over 120 sports modes, so I put on my sneakers, hit the pavement, and started tracking my run. It kept an eye on my distance, how long I was running, and my calories burned. I ran a mile in about 12 minutes. It was a hot day, but I did it. A few days later, I ran again to see if I could beat my time, and guess what? I did it in 12 minutes again, but I felt way better. The app shows all your stats from both runs, and it's so motivating to see that little bit of progress. This watch really helps you see that every little bit counts. You don't have to worry about this watch. It's IP68 waterproof, so you can wear it in the shower or even for a run without any fear. Plus, the battery is amazing. It has a 350 mAh battery that lasts a whole week on a single charge. Seriously, charge once and forget about it. It's called the smarter watch for a reason. It just makes everything easier.